Alright, so been scouring Craigslist for quite a while now. We finally found a bike that I think we can do some good things with. The only issue, person I'm going to meet, they're about 2 hours away from where I live, so but I think if I do end up getting this bike, gonna end up at least making $1,000 easy. It's easier said than done, but we'll see. So I was able to pick it up. Absolutely zero wiggle room in price, but either way, cheap deal, so check it out. Mission accomplished. Now just 2-hour drive back home. I need a bigger shed. Made it back safe and sound, and same with the bike. So the more I look at this thing, the more excited I get about the buy. Obviously, you know, excited when you make a good deal. But 2014 Yamaha YZ250f, and completely, well, for the most part, stock. The main issue we're looking at is plastics and kill switch. Those are our main issues. I don't know if we're going to change up sprockets, chain. They're in pretty good condition, but you know, there's basically two routes to go for this budget build, where you buy the bike, get it back to pretty much stock condition, perfect bike, and sell it for as much as we can, make as much profit as we can, or, you know, bling it out here and there and not make as much money but make a cool looking bike. The customizer in me kinda is itching to do that, but we'll see. Basically, if I were to go pressure wash this bike and then go sell it, I'd probably make $1,000 on the spot. We're gonna try to make more than that, but we're gonna put a few hundred into it. Nothing crazy, hopefully not. But suspension, brakes, engine, everything else in between is all in great condition. I think I'll give you just a quick view of the bike here. So as soon as I can, I'll get this thing washed up and then start stripping her apart, and we can go from there and figure out which parts we want to add, restore, keep, all that. So for now, see you later.